Hi, it's Anonymous, and today we're going to be talking about addition and subtraction of real numbers. So when you think of a real number, what do you think? -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Well, what's common about all these numbers is that they all appear on the number line. In general, the set of all numbers that can be represented on a number line are called real numbers. I imagine these are more evenly spaced out. For example, if we want to add two real numbers, let's add -2 plus 1. We first start at 0. From 0, we go left 2 units because we're at negative. So now we're at -2. And then we pick up and we go right 1 unit, symbolizing our plus 1. To see where we've ended off at is -1. Therefore, -2 plus 1 is equal to -1, simply looking at the number line. Using that same principle, and this time I'll draw them more evenly spaced out. We can add two negative numbers as well. -1 plus -1. Well, you see here, if we're adding two additional negatives, I simply just have to say -1 minus 1. So we start at 0, we go left, -1. As you see in the first interpretation, then it would be like adding another negative, but if we're adding another negative, we're simply going left again. So -1 minus 1. And that'll yield -2 in either case. What we can even do is take it a step up and say -2 minus -3. What would that look like on the number line? So we're drawing the number line now. So of course we start at 0, we pick up, we go left, -2, 1, 2. So now we're at -2. And now it says minus -3. Well, to subtract -3 units, in English, you can think of this as a double negative. We are not subtracting. In this case, we're adding. So this is simply -2 plus 3. Because if you have two negatives right next to each other, they will turn into a positive. So we now go up and move to the right 3 units. 1, 2, 3. Remember, whenever you subtract a negative amount of units, you move right units. And now we're at 1. -2 plus 3 is equal to 1. Plus equal to 1. So now you can see that. So that is how you add or subtract on a number line. And I'll be going into different types of numbers as well, and multiplication very soon. Thank you, and it's been Anonymous.